Okay, this is it. This is my second rap.
Okay, I got one for you. Yeah, I'm a little beat so I can only hear it. I don't need this getting interrupting my video. My name. Y'all know my name already, don't you? Now I want my baby girl Charleston to know I love her. And this is for all you douches. I am living proof. I broke every law. I broke every tooth. I broke every jaw. I broke every nude. I broke every maw. I broke every mood. I hope you never have to deal with me in the past life. I know that I'm not a past guy. And I hope that I never have to meet you in the long run, 'cause you would have to be running from long guns, from long sons, from Long John, 'cause I am not Little John. I kinda lost all my fame. I lost it all. I put it in a bag, then I tossed it all. I tossed my brain out with it. So call me insane, call me up sane, call me in game. I don't even know what I am playing. I just wanna play Monopoly. I am game for any game, but I just know that this ain't gonna be the same once I step in it and I have to make my name. Hope everybody knows that my flow is sick and my flow is sick like my motherfucking dick. My flow is sick like my motherfucking dick. I know, yes, I know. Everybody knows with these homos and these faggots and these homos and these faggots, I have nothing against gays because I am gay. Just joking, I'm playing, I know. Everybody has to spit a flow. Everybody has to rhyme a new photo. Everybody takes a graph of me. Everybody puts me up on a pedestal where they have to laugh at me. I don't know about anybody anymore. Just hope everybody feels about the same way they did a couple years back about me. But I'm just joking. I just want to be laughed about it. And I just know that I want to be joked around about it. But everybody knows that I am not a laugh about it. I'm not about to cry. I'm not about to die. I'm not about to roll over in a corner and not stay alive. I'm not about to let you pick on me. I'm not about to let you even pick on another kid. Don't even be a fucking sissy. Just step up to me. Just don't even come to my face if you can't take it. If you intimidated, then tell me so I can say I am sorry for everything that I did. And I ain't homophobic, but I ain't that gay. And I ain't for her pleasure. I'm just here for the day. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I hope you know. Hope you know. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Now it's for my photograph. It's on my photograph. It's on my pedestal. Now it's on my criminal record. And now I have to go and get it retimaled. Have to go and get it decimaled. Go get it put in reticles. And then throw it on the ground like I did with all this sound. My beat is so sick that your beat hits the ground. I hope your jaw hits the ground next time you see me, 'cause you won't even know that these life's rhymes in me. And you just know that I am part of these friends, and I don't even like friends with benefits, so I'm a friend of me. And everybody just likes my game, and everybody knows that I'm fucking insane, and everybody knows that I'm here to play hoes, but I'm not playing you, Charleston. I love you, and I just want everybody to know that. But no one can sit back and stop starting crap. So everybody that knows me, know that you fuck with her, you're fucking with me, and I will fight that. I just know that I won't be a dog and bite you, 'cause I wanna be a no-show and I like you. Everybody knows that I am type of the right dude, and I just want Charleston to know that I love you. I love you, girl.